Hey, how's it going?
Great! I just got back from my trip to Thailand. It was amazing.
Wow, that sounds awesome. Tell me all about it.
Well, it was my first time traveling to Asia, and I was blown away by the culture and the people. The food was incredible too.
I've always wanted to visit Thailand. What did you do there?
Oh, I did so much. I visited Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket. In Bangkok, I explored the Grand Palace and took a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River. In Chiang Mai, I visited the famous temples and went on an elephant sanctuary tour. And in Phuket, I relaxed on the beautiful beaches and went snorkeling.
That sounds like a dream trip. How was the food?
The food was amazing. I tried so many new things like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. The flavors were so different from what I'm used to, but in a good way.
I love trying new foods when I travel. Did you face any language barriers?
Not really. Most people spoke English, especially in tourist areas. But I did learn a few basic Thai phrases, like hello, thank you, and goodbye. It was fun to use them and interact with the locals.
That's great. Did you do any shopping?
Yes, I did. I bought some souvenirs, like Thai silk scarves and handmade crafts. The markets were so vibrant and filled with unique items.
I love bringing back souvenirs from my travels too. Did you face any challenges during your trip?
Well, the weather was really hot and humid, which took some getting used to. And transportation in Bangkok was a bit confusing at first, but I figured it out after asking for directions.
It's always good to be prepared for different weather conditions when traveling. Did you make any new friends?
Yes, I did. I met some fellow travelers at my hostel and went on a day trip with them. It was fun to share stories and experiences with people from all over the world.
That's one of the best parts of traveling, meeting new people and learning about their cultures. I'm glad you had a great trip.
Thank you. It was an unforgettable experience, and I can't wait to plan my next trip. Maybe Europe next time.
That sounds amazing. I hope I can travel there someday too. Thanks for sharing your travel stories with me.
No problem. It was great to talk about my trip with you. If you ever need travel tips, I'm here to help.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Hi there. How's it going?
Hi. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm actually really excited because I'm planning a trip to Japan.
That's awesome. When are you going?
I'm leaving next month. I've always wanted to visit Japan and experience the unique culture and history there.
That sounds amazing. What are you most looking forward to?
There are so many things. I'm really excited to try authentic Japanese cuisine like sushi, ramen, and tempura. I'm also looking forward to visiting Kyoto and seeing the beautiful temples and gardens there.
Kyoto is known for its stunning temples and traditional architecture. I'm sure you'll love it. Have you planned your itinerary?
Yes, I've been doing a lot of research and have a rough itinerary in mind. I'll be spending a few days in Tokyo to explore the bustling city and visit popular landmarks like Tokyo Tower and the Meiji Shrine. Then I'll take a bullet train to Kyoto and spend a few days there before heading to Osaka and Hiroshima.
That sounds like a great itinerary. Japan has such a rich history and diverse culture. Are you planning to do any outdoor activities?
Yes, definitely. I'm planning to do some hiking in the beautiful Japanese Alps and visit Mount Fuji if the weather permits. I'm also hoping to try some traditional Japanese tea ceremonies and participate in a traditional tea ceremony.
That sounds like a unique and immersive experience. Have you made any accommodation arrangements?
Yes, I've booked a combination of hotels and guest houses. I'm excited to experience the traditional Japanese ryokan, a traditional inn, and sleep on a tatami mat and futon.
That sounds like a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Are you concerned about any language barriers?
A little bit, as I don't speak Japanese, but I've been learning some basic phrases like hello, thank you, and goodbye. I'm also planning to use translation apps and carry a pocket-sized English-Japanese dictionary with me.
That's a good idea. Japanese people are generally friendly and helpful, so I'm sure you'll be able to communicate and get around easily. Do you have any other concerns or questions about your trip?
Not at the moment, but I'll definitely do more research and prepare before my trip. I want to make sure I have a smooth and enjoyable experience in Japan.
That's great. I'm sure you'll have an amazing time. Don't forget to try some matcha green tea and visit a traditional onsen, a Japanese hot spring.
Oh, I won't forget. Thanks for the tips.
No problem. Have a fantastic trip and safe travels.
Thank you. I can't wait. I'll definitely share my travel stories when I get back.
Looking forward to hearing all about it. Bon voyage.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Goodbye. Take care and enjoy your trip. Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been?
Hi. I've been great. I just got back from a trip to Thailand.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Tell me all about it.
It was incredible. I spent a week exploring Bangkok and then went to Phuket for some beach time.
That sounds like a perfect combination of city and beach. What did you do in Bangkok?
In Bangkok, I visited the Grand Palace, which was absolutely stunning with its intricate architecture and beautiful temples. I also took a boat tour along the Chao Phraya River and visited the famous floating markets.
That sounds so unique and interesting. What about Phuket?
Phuket was pure paradise. I spent my days relaxing on the white sandy beaches, swimming in the crystal clear waters, and snorkeling in the colorful coral reefs. The sunsets were breathtaking.
I'm so jealous. Did you try any local cuisine?
Yes, I did. I indulged in delicious Thai food like pad Thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. The flavors were so rich and exotic, and the street food was amazing.
I love Thai food. It's so flavorful and aromatic. Did you face any language barriers?
Not really. Many locals spoke English, especially in tourist areas. I also learned a few basic Thai phrases like hello, thank you, and goodbye, which came in handy.
That's great. It's always helpful to know some basic local phrases when traveling. Did you do any adventurous activities?
Yes, I did. I went snorkeling and also did a thrilling ziplining tour in the rainforest. It was so much fun and definitely an adrenaline rush.
That sounds amazing. I love adventurous activities. Did you encounter any challenges during your trip?
The only challenge I faced was the heat and humidity, but I made sure to stay hydrated and take breaks to avoid heat exhaustion. Other than that, everything went smoothly.
That's good to hear. It's important to take care of yourself, especially in a different climate. Any memorable experiences from your trip?
Oh, there were so many. One of the highlights was visiting the stunning temples in Bangkok, and also witnessing the beauty of the Phi Phi Islands during a boat tour. The friendly locals and their warm hospitality also made my trip unforgettable.
That sounds incredible. I'm so glad you had a wonderful trip. Any travel plans for the future?
Yes, I'm already planning my next trip. I'm thinking of exploring Europe next, maybe visiting Italy or Spain.
That sounds amazing. Europe has so much to offer. I'm sure you'll have a fantastic time. Safe travels.
Thank you. I'm already looking forward to it. Thanks for listening to my travel stories.
No problem. I love hearing about people's travel adventures. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Hey, I heard you're planning a trip. Where are you headed to?
Hi. Yes, I'm super excited. I'm planning a trip to Japan.
That's awesome. Japan is such a fascinating country. What's your itinerary?
I'll be flying into Tokyo and spending a few days there to explore the city. Then, I'll be heading to Kyoto to experience the rich cultural heritage and beautiful temples. Finally, I'll be going to Osaka for some delicious food and fun activities.
Sounds like a great plan. Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka are all amazing destinations with so much to offer. What are you most looking forward to?
I'm really excited about experiencing the blend of modernity and tradition in Tokyo, visiting the ancient temples and shrines in Kyoto, and indulging in the famous street food in Osaka. I can't wait to immerse myself in the Japanese culture and cuisine.
That sounds incredible. Have you made any specific plans or activities you want to do?
Yes, I have a list of things I want to do. I want to visit the famous Tokyo Skytree for panoramic views of the city, explore the historic neighborhoods of Asakusa and Akihabara, and try my hand at making sushi in a cooking class. In Kyoto, I want to visit the iconic Golden Pavilion and stroll through the serene bamboo forest. And in Osaka, I'm looking forward to trying some authentic okonomiyaki and takoyaki.
Wow, you have a great itinerary planned. I'm sure you'll have an amazing time. Are you concerned about any language barriers?
A little bit, but I've been learning some basic Japanese phrases and practicing them. I've also heard that many people in Japan can speak English, especially in tourist areas. So I'm hoping to manage just fine.
That's smart. It's always helpful to learn some basic phrases of the local language. I'm sure you'll do great. Any packing tips?
Yes, I've been researching the weather and packing accordingly. I'll be bringing some light and comfortable clothes for the warm weather, as well as some modest clothing for visiting temples and shrines. I'm also making sure to pack a good pair of walking shoes for all the exploring I'll be doing.
Good call. Comfortable shoes are a must for all the walking and exploring in Japan. Is there anything you're particularly excited about trying or experiencing in Japan?
I'm really looking forward to trying authentic ramen, visiting a traditional Japanese tea house, and experiencing a traditional Japanese hot spring or onsen. I've heard so much about these cultural experiences and I can't wait to try them firsthand.
That sounds amazing. Japanese cuisine and culture are truly unique. I'm sure you'll have some incredible memories from your trip. Have a fantastic time.
Thank you. I'm counting down the days. I'll make sure to share all about my trip when I get back. Wish me luck.
Good luck and safe travels. Can't wait to hear all about it. Have a blast.
Thank you. I will. Take care.